Hey everybody, it's Miss Rice.
And Miss Groshek.
And I'm here today to model how to do a discussion post via video. So I'm going to be using The Golden Compass as my example for this model. Lovely book, really big fan, would recommend. So in your response, you're going to want to use signal phrases, such as, the author says this on this page, and then the quote. So we know that you're quoting the author in your response because quotes are necessary in our discussion posts. And make sure you also reply to each question we have if you're doing it in video form as well. So here's an example of doing a signal phrase via video. So in The Golden Compass by Philip Pullman, chapter 1, the narrator says, she had lived most of her life in the college, but had never seen the retiring room before. Only scholars and their guests were allowed in here, and never females. Even the maidservants didn't clean in here. That was the butler's job alone. So the reason why I picked this quote is because there are implicit messages flashing at us about gender in this society. So the scholars are primarily men. Why can't they be women? Especially, why aren't the women allowed in this room? Is this implying in some sense that men are better than women? Those are the vibes I'm receiving from this quote, and I have a lot of questions for the society and who made these rules in general in the novel. So that's just an example of how I would use a signal phrase and then the quote and then some analysis of my own. Let us know if you have any questions, and I hope to see some of your smiling faces in the discussion board post. So feel free to reply in video or written form, whichever you prefer.